3, 2, 1. Hello everyone, it's Kenneth again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to do a makeup tutorial for non-transfer or no smudge makeup to our mask. I did this already for so many times before I filmed this because ayaw ko naman po yung basta na lang mag-vlog without trying or experiencing this. So in today's video, I'm going to use all drugstore makeup, starting from the foundation, the moisturizer. Anything that I'm gonna use from today is a drugstore, okay? Para hindi po kayo mahirapan maghanap or whatever you have, as long as step by step nyong gagawin. I want to let you know and remind you guys that I'm not a makeup expert. This is only based on my experience, okay? So since I've been working from 1:30 in the morning and 1:30 afternoon to 12 midnight, so it means that's 10 hours shift, and I've been working and talking and exposed to the passengers, so I need to wear my mask and a face shield. So for me to still look good, I put something in my face para naman maganda pa rin tayong tignan, di ba? So as you can see, I already put my makeup, and this is what I did from my tutorial, and you will see it later on. Okay guys, so in this video I will say oily skin will benefit for this because everything I used is matte. Okay, also that it works for me and it might not work for you, but I tried so many ways, okay, because I still want to look good even I'm wearing my mask. So without further ado, let's get into my video tutorial. And by the way guys, please do like and make a comment and also subscribe na rin, and if you want you can share para naman mas lalong masaya, diba? I know naman na makaka-help ito sa ating lahat, especially mga girls na parating they use their makeup. Basta always make sure na matte yung mga gagamitin nyo and the proper wait of minutes. Okay, so let's go, and I'm so excited to share it to you. Nakapaglagay na po ako ng moisturizer. Any moisturizer is okay. And then if you're going in the morning, like if you go to work or go somewhere in the morning, make sure to put sunscreen, and I already did that. At first, what we're gonna do is to put, you know my technique guys, I learned this to Dominic. That's her channel. I love her, she's so pretty. First, I'm gonna put setting spray into my mask like that. This is for This is for makeup setting spray up to 16 hours wear matte finish. Okay, so let's set aside of this one. Next will be, I'm gonna spray MAC Prep and Prime. Okay, so this one is from MAC. I'm gonna spray after my moisturizer. I put this one and let it dry. So will be my powder, that translucent powder. So I'm just gonna put all over my face. So next, I'm gonna use the 24-hour fresh wear from L'Oreal. This one, and my number is 455. Okay, so oops, it's too watery. So this is the color. When you use foundation or concealer, especially the foundation, it should be matched to your skin. Okay, kasi minsan super ugly pag na white para sa inyo, mukha kayong multo. So dapat kunin nyo yung the best match ng foundation sa face nyo or sa skin nyo. You can ask the SA for the test. Ang gagawin ko po next is idadamp ko yung beauty blender. Dry po ito, hindi po siya wet, para mas ma-press niya lalo yung nilagay nating. So guys, let's leave my foundation first for now, and I'm gonna do my slight eye makeup. Okay, so para naman maganda yung ating face, para pag halimbawa tinakpan yung ating mukha, so when we put our mask like this, our eyes still beautiful, right? So guys, I'm using a Drugstore eye palette from Milani, and I really love this. Eyeliner pen, Essence. It's a drugstore as well. This is from Maybelline Falsies Lash Lift. This is a waterproof. I tried this, guys, when I went to the lake. I already took my shower, and this one is still in my eyelashes. It's really a waterproof. It's proven. So guys, after resting my face from the foundation, now it's ready. So next, I'm gonna put the bronzer. This is from Physicians Formula. This one. Okay. Sarap kainin. Ang bango-bango. So, I'm just gonna do in here, in this part, guys. Why there's here? In here, kung saan makikita, kung saan yung merong, yung hindi siya matatakpan ng ating mask. So, I'm just gonna put in here. Okay, next will be the rimmel maxi blush. This one. Okay, para magkaroon ng ang buhay yung ating face lock. Oops, ang dami. So help me God. So let's just pantay ba? So next, we're gonna put the highlighter para mas lalong gumanda ang ating face lock. Now, I'm gonna use, kasi wala naman po akong drugstore na highlighter, so ang gagamitin ko po ay ang Fenty Beauty. This one. And it's Mean Honey. It's this one. Okay, I'm sorry for that. So guys, next we'll be putting our lipstick. Okay, usually I put this one. It's the color changing lip gloss. It's the magic one, but today I want to use the rimmel. It's Provoca Lips. It's 16-hour kiss proof lip color. So I'm debating, maybe I'll use this one, the 210 fruity fling. It's Luck and Shine lipstick. Okay, let's see if it's really gonna work for me, guys. This is so funny. Talking and talking and talking, but I didn't realize I don't have battery anymore, so I already did my first base for my lipstick. Now I'm gonna do the second one. Let's see if it's really kiss proof. Okay, nothing. So this one is not gonna transfer to our mask. So what we're gonna do next, guys, will be lack or do the finish thing from our powder and our setting spray. Okay, so I'm just gonna do my powder in here and of course in here. So next, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Lasting Fix Matte Finish. This one. Okay, so Ready? So let's put it now. Ready, guys? Nothing. And this one is super tight to my face, okay? And this is white. You can see that there's nothing. And I rub it to my face. You see, I'm pressing. I'm gonna leave it a little bit longer for you to know that it's not really gonna transfer, okay? You see, from here you still look good, right? Okay, so you're ready again? 3, 2, 1. So guys, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you've learned something from my tutorial today. And I will guarantee you guys, this basic makeup tutorial for non-proof, no smudge makeup for my mask, for our mask, it's really highly recommended, okay? Ayan, nakita nyo naman po kung ano yung ginawa ko. So hopefully meron kayong natutunan today, okay? So thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Stay safe, God bless, and I love you, okay? Bye. Mwah.